Yes, good evening all.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Yes, how are you all? How are you?
Fine, sir.
Great. Chalo. So yesterday we solved questions from what areas related to circles, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So today, tell me what topic we'll start with, and I asked her that I just told you that I'll just post the sample papers, right? So I'll do that. I'll probably today I just given enough problems to you all to solve. Yesterday, how many of you opened your class notes and solved the problems? Have you finished the problems? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I just asked you to finish. Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
can.
Huh. So yesterday we couldn't solve all the problems in the class. If I'm not wrong, we solved like 20 problems yesterday. How many problems? Not 20. I like day before yesterday we solved 20. Chalo. So today, tell me which topic you want me to start. Yesterday we had, sir, I'm not able to mute myself. What's the problem, Himanshu? Okay. Uh, yes. Tell me, Himanshu, what is the problem? No, he's unable. Okay, no problem. You listen the class. Just listen the class. Okay, tell me today which topic you want me to start with.
Sir, real
Sir, can
numbers.
we do triangles?
Okay, triangles. Yes, real numbers, triangles. Okay, any one topic, real number, either real number or triangles, whichever you just decide, so that I'll share the questions. Make it fast. Real numbers. Real numbers. Shall we go for real
Okay,
numbers
sir.
and shall we go for the triangles tomorrow? Shut up.
Yes, sir, I have no problem.
You have no problem. Great. So yeah, let me share the questions to you all. कहाँ गया वो? चलो इधर. 1 second. Let me give 1 minute of time so that no, I'm just getting a chapter now itself, right? So that is the reason. Once if you give me a minute of time, so I'll give all the questions to you all. You have to solve very fast today. Our target is to solve 20 minimum 20 questions today. Minimum 20 questions. Minimum 20 questions solve करना ही करना है आज. कुछ भी होने दो, करना ही करना है बस. ठीक है? करना ही करना है. एक मिनट. ठीक है? Questions, right? So guys, I'll share the questions to you. A total like 36 questions, something like that. Everyone, please. We'll solve as much as questions we can today, and tomorrow. Oh, 20th question. But चलो, तो मैंने क्या करूँगा इधर फिर से पोस्ट करूँगा.
So, which chapter?
Real numbers. We are just giving the
Okay,
question.
sir.
So, चलो. Look at the screen, everyone now. Guys, you फटाफट मुझे बताइए. हाँ देखो. First question. What's the answer of the first question? Make it fast. शुरू. जल्दी से बताइए मुझे फटाफट. एवरीवन शुड पार्टिसिपेट. एवरीवन शुड पार्टिसिपेट हियर.
Sir, C.
Sir, it's C.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. For some integer m, every even integer is of the form even integer. Why? देखो 2 into m. Yes or no? 2 into m, whatever the number you
Sir,
multiply, 2
that
into
means
7.
it's the second one.
Sir,
Second
for
one
the
is what?
second question, I got D. 24.
Option D, 24 is correct. How many of you got 24, beta? See what he has given. N is an even natural number. N is an even natural number. The answer is even natural number. Then the largest number, largest natural number by which is divisible, is divisible. N is an even natural number that is divisible by what? Even number is divisible by 2, isn't it? So n plus 2. n plus 2 भी क्या? बेटा n divisible by 2. n plus 2 is divisible by 4. एंड ऐसा करते जाएंगे तो n इंटू एन प्लस टू किससे डिविजिबल बाई 8. तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? देखो इधर n प्लस टू.
So,
n,
sir, n plus 1 should be an odd
yes,
number,
n
which
plus
should
1.
be
Yeah,
divisible by 3.
yes. n into n is divisible by 2 here. So n plus 2 is divisible by what, beta? n plus 2 is divisible by 2. So 4. N into n plus 2 divisible by 8 and so on. Here look at this here n. मेरे पास n plus 1 कामा ये n plus 2 क्या है? ये क्या है? 3 consecutive number. If I take 1 1 plus 1 2 1 plus 3 3 consecutive numbers, isn't it? ठीक है. So इसमें देखो कुछ भी, इसमें एक नंबर, like one of these three numbers is divisible by what? 3. yes sir no? बेटा आपको समझ में आ रहा है? इसमें एक नंबर 3 से डिविजिबल होना चाहिए. एक नंबर 3 से डिविजिबल होना चाहिए एंड डिविजिबल बाय 2 4 and 8. The number should divisible by 2 4 8, which is that option D is correct. ठीक है. अंडरस्टूड. थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस देखो. नंबर should divisible by 2 3 and 8 as well. Since one of this number, look at this, which number? N plus 1, n plus 2, one of these three numbers, n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n, one of these number will divisible by 3, right? So satisfying all these conditions, giving you only one that number, which is 24. 24 is divisible by 2 4 and 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question, make it fast. The product of two consecutive positive integers. Product of two consecutive positive.
Yes, sir, it's true.
Yes, sir. It's true.
Of course, देखो टू कंसेक्यूटिव पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, देखो 2 ले लो 3 ले लो, क्या आ रहा है? 6 आ रहा है. डिविजिबल बाय 2. हाँ खत्म, ट्रू है. एग्जांपल लेके देख लेना बस. 2 ट्रू इज द राइट आंसर. So the number 4 power of n, when n is a natural number
Sir,
and ends
false.
with it,
B.
so ends with the digit 0 for any natural number n.
False.
देखो मुझे क्या है? 4 power of n दिया है नंबर. The number 4 power of n where n is a natural number ends with the digit 0, ending with what? Digit 0 for any natural number n. How can you just tell this? 4 power of n
Sir,
दिया है
if you
बेटा.
So
take
the
any
factor
power,
should be
4
the
power
2
2,
or
4
5.
power 3, all end with 6.
Yeah. And look at this here.
So
4 power
no
of n.
power will make it end with 0.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No power make a with a 0. Exactly. So which is what? False. Guys, no any of the number. Look at this. Whatever the thing we have taken here, 4 power of n. If you do 4 power of n, none of the numbers ends with a 0. देख लो कुछ भी नंबर सब्स्टिट्यूट करके देख लो, कुछ एक्सप्रेशन में कुछ भी नंबर आपको क्या होगा, 0 से एंड नहीं होगा, तो फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. मुझे बताइए अभी कौन सा फिफ्थ वाला नंबर, आई मीन फिफ्थ वाला क्वेश्चन. 12 to the power of n ends with a digit 0 or 5 for natural number n.
Sir, no value.
No value.
Sorry. No value. Very good. How many have you done no value? How many have you got no value, girls?
Sir, I got.
Sir, I got.
Sir, I have got.
None of the girls have joined up. Okay. Okay, Ashish, Sira, good. Steve, please try to respond. Tushar, respond. Udbhav,
Yes,
Beta-
sir.
respond in the class. बताइए 7th 6th
Yes,
one.
sir.
Any
Sir,
doubt in the
option
fifth one?
B,
Composite number.
composite number.
B.
Composite.
Look at the fifth question. If you have any doubt, look at it. A number which any number अगर 0 या 5 से एंड कर रहा है तो क्या डेफिनेटली दैट विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 5. वो तो ट्रिक है. एनी नंबर, कुछ भी नंबर देखो, कुछ भी नंबर एंडिंग विथ 0 और 5, दैट डेफिनेटली ऑलवेज डिविजिबल बाय 5. ठीक है. The number 12 power of n, 12 power of n ending with what digit 0 और 5 से, तो डेफिनेटली 5 से डिविजिबल बाय होना चाहिए वो. So you can write the possible out. Okay, 1 minute guys, let me yes. So none of the values. Guys, if you just factorize 12 to the power of n, देखो 2 into 3 और आपको 5 नहीं आएगा, नहीं तो 2 into 2 into 3, हाँ 2 square into 3. देखो we are not getting 5 here, so no value of course. ठीक है. Next, sixth वाला answer. What is the sixth answer?
Sir, composite.
Option sixth वाला.
Composite.
Option B.
Composite. What do you mean by composite number?
It can be expressed as a product of prime numbers.
It has a factors.
More
It has a
than two
factor other
factors.
than
Yes, sir.
one. It has factors other than one and itself. ठीक है.
Yes.
So what is the answer here? 112. 112.
Composite, sir.
It is a composite. देखो 112 क्या मिलेगा मुझे? 112. If I write 112 as what? If you just factorize that, what do you get? 2 into 2, 4, 8, 16, 16, 16, 7. ठीक है. तो 2 power of 4 into 7. 2 power of 4 into 7. See, देखो 2 and 7 I have here. It has factors other than 1 and itself. So it's a composite number. Very simple. Next question. 7th one.
Sir, this as well is a composite number.
Composite.
Yes.
Yes, sir, it's composite.
Next question.
2, sir.
Number 8 is 2.
Number 8. Total number of factors of prime number. Total number of factors of a prime number. देखो बेटा prime number क्या होती है?
Yes,
इससे
sir,
शुरू होता है.
2.
हाँ. Prime number exactly will be having two factors. What is that? 1 and that number itself. So देखो very लड्डू सवाल है. Very simple. Next 9th वाला देखो. The values of x and y in the figure. बताओ.
A,
देखो,
sir.
देखो x का वैल्यू देखो.
Yes, sir, option A, 7,
A,
comma
sir.
13.
7, 13. How it is giving 7, 13?
Sir,
Sir,
if you
one-
multiply 7 and
हाँ,
143, you get 1001.
Exactly. देखो बेटा, इसको multiply 7 into 143. If you get 7 into 143, you will get what? 143. 7 into 143, you will get 1001. तो मुझे x का वैल्यू, he is asking for x and y वैल्यू. तो starting with x, need not check all the options. ठीक है. Need not check for y. हमने y को चेक करना जरूरत नहीं है अभी. देखो none of the options are starting with a 7. देखो दिमाग लगाना. ठीक है. yes or no? Yes. Tell me, Anudeep. So HCF
Sir?
of this and this is what? What is the highest common factor of 96 and 104? Highest common factor देखो.
Said 4.
4, sir.
4.
Yes, sir,
96 how
4.
many times? 96? 4 times?
4, sir.
96 4 times.
384.
384. तो कितना बचेगा? 16. तो 18. 96. तो 18 5 96. 18. 18 5 how much?
Sir, actually it's 20, sir, the first reminder.
यस देखो बेटा. हाँ ये 20 है तो 0. हाँ 20 तो देखो दिस इज हाउ यू नीड टू डू दिस. 20 एंड 96 तो 24 18 sorry 24 80 16 तो 20 16 ones तो रिमाइंडर इज 4. तो क्या है कॉमन फैक्टर 4. ठीक है समझा
Yes, sir.
सर. नो 4 4s अगेन 16. तो मुझे आई एम एंडिंग विथ 4 here. So highest common factor is what? 4. Guys, you know this step method? Do you know how many of you know this step method to find a GCF? Sorry, HCF. GCF, HCF दोनों सेम ही होता है. How many of you know that? Guys, GCF is greatest
Yes,
common
sir.
factor.
Greatest
Sir, I'm
highest
not
common-
aware.
Same, sir.
देखो 11th one make it fast. 11 नंबर बताओ जल्दी बताओ. The total number of distinct primes मतलब different primes in the prime factorization. अपने prime factorization करना चाहिए अभी. You need
Sir,
to
option A, 5.
5.
option A 5. Number of distinct primes. Distinct prime मतलब what? Different prime numbers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You got 5. Any doubts here? Do you want me to explain this? बेटा देखो fifth वाला question.
Yes, sir.
If you want to factorize this, you want me to explain?
Sir, what are the numbers involved?
Look at this here. Let me explain. देखो बेटा, you start with the 2 here. Prime factorization मतलब देखो prime number से करना चाहिए. 2 is a prime number here. 2 कितना आएगा? 2 1s, 2 3s, 2 6, 2 5, 0. Again 2 6. Remainder is 1,
6,
2
8, 2, 5.
8, 2 5. ठीक है. तो फिर से करो. 2 कितना?
Sir, 5, sir, not 2.
कहाँ 5? हाँ सर 2 से नहीं आएगा फिर से.
Yes,
2
sir.
या the number is ending with 5 तो it's not possible with 5. तो let's go with what?
1, 3, 6, 5.
5 or 5. 3 से करेंगे तो 3 से आएगा ना. 3 2s, 3 4s. So 3 7, 3 7 and 3 5s. फिर से is it possible with the 3 now? No, not possible. 5
Sir.
5 4s, 5 5s, 5 5s. Again 5 91, 7 13, 13 sevens are, isn't it? 91. So what
Yes.
is asking for? What is asking for what? Total number of distinct primes. Distinct prime. देखो
5.
1 2 3 4 5. ठीक है. Very simple. 5 distinct prime is very simple. Yes sir, no, any doubts? Next 12th question. Unit place of HCF of
Sir, option B.
HCF
Sir,
of
actually, the options I think are wrong because it's asking for the unit place digit, but it gave the whole number as the options.
अच्छा unit place of HCF of what you got? HCF of this number
HCF of
105,
all three of them is 105.
105. What is the shortcut to find?
Sir, I just wrote them down and I saw which one were common and I took the least power from each.
Sorry.
I took the least power from each of
Yes.
the
Yes.
common factors.
Yes, beta. What the unit digit of HCF? What is the HCF? What is the HCF you got?
105.
105. तो 5 होना चाहिए unit digit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then it should be HCF of. The question should be HCF of. Yes or no? HCF
Yes.
of the given number is what? Yes. Next question. HCF will
Sir,
be
if it's unit place digit, then what would be the answer, sir?
5. Unit digit क्या है इसमें? 105 unit digit है दबा. Units వన్స్ టెన్స్ హండ్రెడ్స్ అదే కదా యూనిట్ డిజిట్ ఏంటిది ఇక్కడ 5 కదా
Yes.
దట్ వుడ్ హావ్ బీన్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఠీకే
Yes, sir.
like that. So HCF is equal to product. What is the product? See here, product of lowest powers of common factors. इधर 2 3 5 7 है उसका देखो सो मुझे क्या लेना चाहिए 2 का
Only 3, 5, and 7.
हाँ 3 and 5 7 इसमें 3 5 एंड 7 कॉमन फैक्टर है 2 नहीं है तो इसलिए मैंने 3 स्क्वायर में से 3 5 7 so 105 next 13th one guys 13th one I just gave here look at this 13th one you know ये तो आधा चले गए तो नीचे नीचे देखो look at this
C, sir.
what he has given a value has given two positive integers a and b written as b
Sir,
by
option B,
their
X,
x
Y
y
square.
HCF उसका HCF क्या होता है
XY,
SCF is XY square.
XY square.
देखो x क्यूब y स्क्वायर है एंड b x y क्यूब है ना क्या है 1 मिनट x y क्यूब यस x y क्यूब एंड x y क्या है प्राइम फैक्टर्स है देखो HCF ऑफ ये क्या होता है देखो ध्यान से सुनिए व्हाट वुड बी दैट लीस्ट ऑफ x में से लीस्ट कौन सा है x
XY square.
y स्क्वायर देखो बेटा ध्यान से सुनिए x में से लीस्ट कौन सा है x है x क्यूब एंड x विच इज लीस्ट x y स्क्वायर y क्यूब में
X.
लीस्ट कौन सा है y स्क्वायर तो x y स्क्वायर बी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट नेक्स्ट स्मॉलेस्ट पावर ऑफ ईच देखो स्मॉलेस्ट पावर ऑफ ईच वेरिएबल ठीक है ईच प्राइम फैक्टर ठीक है तो एक्स वाई स्क्वायर तो 14th क्वेश्चन देखिए 14th क्वेश्चन बनाइए जल्दी से व्हाट इज HCF ऑफ द स्मॉलेस्ट कंपोजिट नंबर एंड स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर अरे ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन स्मॉलेस्ट कंपोजिट नंबर कौन सा है बेटा
2.
Sir, 4.
हाउ
Yes.
हाउ 4
4 would be the smallest composite number.
हाउ 4 टेल मी
Because 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. However, 4 has factors other than 1 and 4, 2 and 2.
exactly so देखो 2 and 3 are prime factors I mean 2 is a prime number and 3 is a prime number so 4 has what it has a factor other than 1 and itself so 4 है
Sure.
number तो इसको 4 को कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग look at this HCF of 4 and smallest prime number कौन सा है what is the smallest prime number बेटा 2
2.
what is the HCF of these 2
2.
2
Two.
of course answer is 2
2, sir.
बेटा ध्यान से सुनिए मैंने जो भी बता रहा हूँ HCF ऑफ कंपोजिट में बस स्मॉलेस्ट छोटा सा कंपोजिट नंबर 4 है छोटा सा प्राइम नंबर 2 है तो दोनों का HCF क्या होगा 2 होगा HCF of these two guys is what 2 clear next 15th question this is a लड्डू सवाल है जल्दी जल्दी करें हम लोग two numbers are in the ratio 15:11 and if their HCF is 13 then numbers will be क्या होगा देखो verify the options बेटा verify the options if their HCF is 13 ठीक है then numbers will be what आपके पास 13 है देखो बेटा 15 into 13 11 into 13 खत्म 15 into 13 11 into 13 that is a trick 15 into 13 कितना 195 कहाँ है ऑप्शन ए है चलो खत्म that is how we need to do any doubt here guys whenever you get
No,
such
sir.
type of question whenever you get this type of question you need to multiply देखो two numbers are in the ratio this into this HCF कितना है 13 HCF into the first number HCF into second number 195 it is satisfying in only one option that is option correct only option A is correct here ठीक है understood बेटा थोड़ा ध्यान फटाफट
Yes.
फटाफट सॉल्व करना है हमको चलो नेक्स्ट 60th one product of दीक्षा why are you late दीक्षा जी why are you late बेटा हेलो
Sir, it's option B, 117.
okay what he has given product of two co-prime number का मतलब क्या होता है बताओ co-prime बेटा what do you mean by co-prime बताइए मुझे co-prime numbers no one knows Hello. Hello. Guys, are you here?
Sir, is it if there's only they don't have any common factor except, I mean, of course, except one.
हाँ, yeah. See, the co-prime numbers क्या होता है? Only one. उसका common factor only one होना चाहिए, ठीक है? देखो मैंने बताऊंगा आपको, आपको ऐसे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, देखो मैंने co-prime numbers are their common factor should be only one, ठीक है? क्या होना चाहिए? Co-prime numbers, if I have two numbers, common factors should be, must be only one. Only one. Let us say that अभी देखो कुछ भी ले लो, मेरे पास 4 and 7 है बेटा, ठीक है? What is the common factor of these two numbers? Only one. So 4 and 7 are co-prime numbers. आया समझ? Let's say that if I have 5, 7, 9,
Yes.
इसका co-prime, what is the these are, tell me whether they are co-prime or not. Yes, they are. Their highest mean common factor is what? They don't have any other common factor other than one. So they have only common factor which is one. So they are co-prime. ठीक है? ध्यान से सुनिए इधर. Getting my point or not? Next question.
Yes, sir.
So product of two co-prime numbers is 117. 117. Their LCM should be what?
Sir, 117, because you have to multiply both.
Yes. देखो, product of two co-prime numbers he has given is equal to 117. Product of two co-prime numbers, उसका LCM ही है ना? Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
LCM is equal to what? 117. Simple multiply. ठीक है? बेटा आपको समझ में आ रहा है? What are the co-prime numbers? Here 1,117, उसका LCM क्या होगा?
117 will be the LCM.
So next question, at least, sorry, the least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10. Both
Sir,
inclusive.
2, 2, 5, 2, 0.
देख चेक कर लो, आपको नहीं, आपको ऐसे नहीं आ रहा है. देखो 1 से 10 नंबर, देखो 1 to 10 नंबर्स. 1 का फैक्टर क्या है? 1 है. 2 का फैक्टर क्या है? इज आस्किंग फॉर लीस्ट नंबर दैट इज डिविजिबल बाय ऑल द नंबर्स. बेटा आपको समझ में आ रहा है? मैंने बता रहा हूँ लीस्ट नंबर विच इज नथिंग बट लीस्ट नंबर दैट इज लीस्ट नंबर, मतलब इनडायरेक्टली यू नीड टू फाइंड एलसीएम हियर. आर यू गाइस एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? लीस्ट
Yes,
नंबर.
sir, option
Yes.
D.
ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. ठीक है, तो फैक्टर ऑफ 1 इज व्हाट? 1. फैक्टर ऑफ 2 इज व्हाट? Factors of 2 is what? 1 and 2. So you need to take what? The LCM of all the numbers 1 to 10. If you multiply, you will get it. First factors of 1, 1, factors of 2, 1 comma 2, factors of 3, 1 comma 1 and 3.
3.
If you multiply all that and if you find LCM of 1 to 10 numbers, you will get 2560. I mean 20. Take it very simple. We have to
Yes,
find
sir.
out LCM of 1 to 10 numbers. ठीक है? Find it out. 18th one. Make it fast. 18th one बताइए मुझे. 18th
Sir,
one.
option B, 2.
Option B. ये 11th आंसर है ना? ठीक है, 11th आंसर. हाँ. Which HCF of 65 and 117 is expressible in the form of this one. Okay. Then the value of M is what? See, first what you need to do here, ऐसा वाले क्वेश्चन को क्या करना है? तो मुझे फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करना है. किसका? 65 का. What are the factors I have? This can be written as what? 13 into 5. And 117 can be written as what? 117 बेटा. 13th table. 13th table. 13 nines. Yes or no? Yes or no? HCF of
Yes.
देखो what is HCF of 65 and this
13.
13? is equal to
And then
30.
equate that with 65m minus 116.
Exactly. So 60m, 65m minus HCF of देखो बेटा 65m minus 7. HCF of these numbers is equal to what? 13. इससे
13.
calculate करो. M is equal to what? 30. So 30, isn't it? 117. Sorry, I wrote अच्छा 130. तो 130 होगा तो M is equal क्या? 65 1 65
Two.
2 times. Answer 2 is correct. Any doubt बेटा? कोई doubt इधर? कोई doubt?
No,
Guys,
sir.
see here. What I'm doing here? It's I'm just finding HCF of these two numbers. I got 13. I'm equating with this. I'm getting M value. Very simple. The LCM of this number and this number is this one. Then find the M value. इससे छोटा सा सवाल कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता है. What is the LCM of 42 and 12? 84. 84 is LCM.
Yes, sir. 84.
84. So 84 मतलब 80.
Yes.
8 is the answer. देखो खत्म. मुंह से बोल दिया मैंने. Like mind calculation.
Yes, sir. 8.
देखो कैसा करना है. देखो बेटा LCM मतलब क्विक. And let me tell you the quickest method to find out LCM. ठीक है, you take the biggest number. Which is the biggest number among between 12 and 42? 42.
40.
So 42 will 12 is not divisible. 12 is not divisible by what? So 42 is not divisible by 12. ठीक है, तो 42 into 2 is what? 84. Yes, 84 is divisible by what? 12. So 84 is LCM now. So 84 is LCM मतलब 84 is equal 10m plus 4 is equal to 84. तो 10m is equal to 80. देखो 0 0 गया तो 8 बचा तो LCM m is equal to क्या हुआ? 8. Yes or no? Yes or no? People tell me.
Yes, sir.
M is equal to 8. Simple. Next, 20th question is here. So there are 24 peaches, 36 apricots, and 60 bananas, and they have to arranged in a several rows in such a way that every rows contains the same number of fruits of only one type. So what is the minimum number of rows required for this to happen? Yes.
Option A, 12.
What is asking minimum number of rows, which means what you need to find, guys, whenever he is asking minimum
HCF.
number
Common factor.
highest common factor. बेटा मैंने क्या दिया? HCF find out करने के लिए we will take the least power, isn't it? Yes or no? हाँ, HCF of what? What is the
Yes.
HCF? What is the highest common factor of?
Of 24, 36, and 60 is 12.
देखो
Yes, sir.
12, yeah, 12, yeah, 24 divisible by 12, 36 divisible by 12, yes, so 12, answer is right. देखो क्वेश्चन दिखने में बहुत बल्कि दिख रहा है, देखो आंसर कितना है, मुंह से बोलने वाला आंसर है, ठीक है, लड्डू सा सवाल. दिस यस 20 क्वेश्चन वी हैव सॉल्व. चलो 21st क्वेश्चन, लेट अस फिनिश 30, लेट अस टारगेट 30. मेक इट फास्ट, फटाफट जल्दी से जल्दी बताना है. गाइस ऑलरेडी वी हैव सॉल्व्ड, इट्स अ रिवीजन. यस और नो? बताइए.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So four bells toll at intervals 10 seconds, 15 seconds. This type of questions are very important. 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds respectively. If they toll at 10 a.m., what time they will together? What time will they toll together for the first time after 10 a.m.? Abba, abba, abba. Such a good question actually. So first look at this. Very
Sir?
good question. Yes. First you what do you have to take here? LCM. LCM of what?
LCM.
LCM of 10, 15, 20, 30.
देखो which is the greater number here? 30 is a greater number. So 30 is divisible by 10, 15, 20. No, 60. 60 is LCM. Isn't it? 60 is
Yes.
LCM. LCM is
So
equal to
10,
beta
1.
60 is LCM. So
Yes, sir. 10, 1 a.m.
60 is the LCM. तो
60 minutes, seconds.
60 seconds. 60 seconds. 60 seconds मतलब 10 a.m. is already and plus 60 seconds which gives you what? 1 minute. So 10 plus 1 minute. 10 1 a.m. आ रहा है समझ guys? समझ रहे हैं? Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Which means 1 minute. This 1 minute plus 10 a.m. 10 a.m. plus 1 minute कितना होता है? 10 1 a.m. Very simple. Next, 22nd question. उद्भव, आपको समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? उद्भव has left the meeting. Make it fast. I'm just posting a message in the group. Make it fast. 22nd question. P is the LCM of all this. Q is the LCM of all this. L is the LCM of all this. Which of the following is true? बेटा P is equal to what? बताइए मुझे P is equal to what? What is P? What is P here? Hello? Are you all here?
Yes, sir.
What is the LCM? P is equal to LCM of all that number, right? 40 is LCM? Not 40. Not 40. 40. No, 10.
Sir, I
10.
got 120.
1/3.
120. Yes, 120 is the LCM.
Yes, sir, 120.
Yes, 120. So LCM don't find in that way. Dekho, let me tell you a shortcut. Which is the biggest number here? Greatest number? 10.
10.
So whether 10 is divisible by all this number? No. Let me take 10 into 2, 20. 20 is divisible by all number? No. 10 into 30, 30, no. 40, no. 50, no. 60, no. 70, no. 80, no. 120 is divisible by all of the numbers. So 120 is LCM. What is Q? What is Q? LCM of 1. So 9 threes, 9 twos, 27, 9 5. So 45 is LCM. How many of you got 45? So L is what? L is what? L is equal to what? LCM
Sir,
of...
what's the quickest method, sir, of that LCM which you did now?
Yes, very good question. Look at this. देखो मैंने आपको देखो, let's suppose देखो LCM shortcut. If you have, let's say that 8, let's say that 24 and 72. Okay, ठीक है. So first you pick a big number, which is the greatest number, 72. ठीक है. Now check whether 72 is divisible by 8 or not. Yes, 8 nines. Whether 72 divisible by 24 or not. Yes, 3s. So 72 is divisible by 8 as well as 24. So which 72 is LCM now. ठीक है. 72 is LCM now. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
అట్లా అని చెప్పి every time greater number is LCM. No, that is not the mean. See, it does not mean that every time greater number is LCM here. Now let me give one more number here. Let's say that you have, let's say that 5, 7, 9. What is the LCM of this number? Not 9. Greater number is 9, so LCM is 9. No, that is not correct. Look at this here. You pick greater number here. Check. 9 is a greater number. Check whether 5 is divisible by check whether 9 is divisible by 5 or not. No. 9 is divisible by 7 or not. No. Impossible. No. What I have to do now? So let me go for the 9 twos. 18. Check whether 8 is divisible by 18 is divisible by 5 or not. No. Impossible. Let's go for 27. Next. 27 is divisible by 5 or not? No. 27 is divisible by 7 or not? No. Let's take 27. 36. 36 is divisible by 5? No. 45. Yes, 45 is divisible by 5 and 7. No. 45.
No, sir.
No. Let me take then
54.
which number is going to be divisible by? So for this type of question, take a big number, go with that. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Check 63. No. 54. 54 అవుతుందా కాదు. 63 కాదు. 72 కాదు. 81 కాదు. 90. No. So it is coming very big. So I need to change the numbers. 1 second.
Sir, since these are co-prime numbers, can't you just multiply
yes.
them? The product
Yeah,
would
yeah,
be
yeah.
the LCM.
Exactly. That is also correct. So they are co-prime numbers. Very good. Look at they are co-prime numbers. Product will be the LCM. So let me give one number. If I give like this, I should have. Oh, 1 second. ये क्या हुआ भाई? 1 second, guys. 1 second. Oh. Look at this here, guys. These are co-prime numbers. These are co-prime numbers. I have given co-prime numbers 5, 7, 9. इसका product ही हो जाएगा LCM. तो 35 9 so much, or else 63 315, isn't it? 315 is LCM. अगर if I
Yes,
have,
sir.
let's say that 4, 8, 12, 16. I'm asking you to find LCM. What is LCM of this?
Sir, 32.
32? No.
No, I'm sorry.
No.
No.
Let's take a 16, greater number. 16 is not divisible by 4. Sorry, 16 is divisible by 4, 8, but not 12. So 32. 32 is not divisible by 12 here. No, not possible. So 48. 48, yes. 48, yes. 48 is LCM. देखो बेटा, 48 is LCM. Yes or no? 48 is divisible
Yes,
by
sir.
4, 8, 12, and 16. So 48 is LCM. Atla. Mind calculation. You have to do calculate in mind itself whether it's divisible or not. Whether it is divisible or not. Calculate in mind. That is why you need to be so perfect at tables. ठीक है? अर्थమైందా? Let me give one more.
Okay,
method.
sir.
If I have, look at this shortcut method. If I have 12, 60, what is the 12, 60, 72? Not 72. Let me take 90. Not 90. 1 second. Let me give the question. 15, 60, 25, 10. What is the LCM of this? First greater number choose. 60 is a greater number. Let me check first. 60 is divisible by 15 or not? No. So let us go for 120 now. Next. So 120 is
5,
huh?
50.
What 50?
No, sir. No, sir.
So 60 is not LCM now. Let us take 60 into 2, 120. 120, whether 120 is divisible by 15 or not? Yes. 60, yes. 25, no. So what I have to go? 180. Yes or no? 180. Tell me whether 180 is divisible by everyone or not? Yes, except 25. 25, no. So let me give 20. Now tell me the LCM. मैं change कर रहा हूँ question को. देखो, tell me the LCM so that you can solve the LCM. What is LCM? What is LCM? फटाफट बताइए. 60 is LCM. Yes or no? Why? 60 is divisible by 15, 60, 30, 10. सबसे divisible by कर रहे हैं तो 60 हो जाएगा LCM. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Understood. So that is the quickest method.
Yes, sir.
So if you practice, so you will get it. So now LCM of
Sir,
LCM
for
of
question 22, Q, you wrote it wrong. The LCM for Q should be 315, not 45.
Acha, 45 is not divisible by 7 here. Very good identification. Yes. 315. Good. Why? Because 45 is not divisible by 7. No. Yes, you are right. 315. What is the LCM of these two now?
Sir, I got 2520.
2520. So 2520. 2520 can be written as what? L minus 21 PR. 21 into P, how much? 21. Oh, no, it's not possible. Option A is not possible. 63 into P is not at all possible. 16 into P, देखो 16 into P, कितना?
No,
120.
sir, I tried that. It's not possible.
It is not also possible. Then 4 L minus 4Q. L minus 4Q. L minus 4q, L minus 4 times of q. No यार कहाँ से आ रहा है, ये नहीं होगा.
No,
It should be equal actually. It should be equal. L is equal to 4 times of q. No, 4 times of q कहाँ भाई, नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा. ये 21p. L is equal to 21p given. L is equal to 21p. Look at this. L is equal to 21p.
yes sir, 21.
L is equal to 21p. Satisfying?
Yes sir.
L is equal to, इसको equal करना है, not minus. If it is minus, no, wrong.
Yes, sir. Option A is
The
correct.
option is
L
correct.
equal to
L is equal to
21.
21 L minus 21p. L minus 21 is L minus 21p
No,
is
sir. It's
satisfying.
L equal to 21p.
L is equal to 21p. Yes, मैंने L is equal to लिखा था, क्या चला गया भाई. L equal to 21p. So 21 into 120. बताओ 21 into 120. Yes, 2520. Right answer. So option A is correct here. Guys, remaining question, whatever the question you have, we left with 36 questions are there. So 22 only we solved. So remaining 14 questions you solved. Okay. All these questions are homework. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear. Guys,
Yes sir.
are we going fast? Are you able to follow? Any one of you, Anudeep, Shadab, Sira, Tushar, Udbhav, बताओ मुझे, हमने कोई फास्ट जा रहा है?
No, sir.
sir.
It's
No,
fine.
sir.
Guys, this is, हमने भागना है. You have to fight like a warrior. That's it. हमने क्या, अगर टॉर्टोइस जैसा जाएंगे तो हम लोग हमारे क्या बोलते हैं डेस्टिनेशन को पहुंचने में बहुत देर लगेगी. You have to run like a rabbit or like cheetah. ठीक है? आपको स्टोरी तो
Yes,
पता
sir.
होगा. Tortoise. चलो. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
sir. Thank you, sir.
Please do solve the remaining problems.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.